Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Apple ID account. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your iPhone settings. Then in this interface, you need to click on your Apple ID name at the top of your screen. Then you need to scroll down, and after that you need to click on the last option, Sign Out. Then you need to enter your password, and then Apple ID will be deleted from this device. So after that you need to go to your browser, and then in the search bar you need to type privacy.apple.com. After that you will see this interface. You need to scroll to the bottom of this page and then click on this option, request to delete your account. After that you need to wait a little bit, and then you will see this page. You need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. You can actually read this information if you want. And then you need to select a reason why you want to delete your Apple ID account. For example, I prefer not to say. So then click on the continue button, and then this page will tell you what you will lose if you delete your Apple ID account. So if you actually want to delete your Apple ID account, you need to click on the continue button and then follow the steps on the other pages. And actually that's all. That's how to delete Apple ID account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.